Hello, I'm Leetta Schmidt, Copyright and Intellectual Property Librarian at the University of South Florida Libraries. In this short video, we'll be talking about open educational resources and Creative Commons. By the end of this video, you should have an improved understanding of open educational resources and how you can use and contribute to the open educational resource community. Open Educational Resources, or OERs, are openly accessible teaching and learning materials that can be used as an alternative to traditional restricted access textbooks to provide affordable and accessible course content for students. To be an OER, the material must be either 1. In the public domain, or 2. Licensed in a manner that provides everyone with free and perpetual permission to engage in the 5R activities. The 5 R's include retain, the ability to make, own, and control a copy of the resource. Revise, to edit, adapt, and modify your copy of the resource. Remix, combining your original or revised copy of the resource with other existing material to create something new. Reuse, using your original, revised, or remixed copy of the resource publicly. And redistribute, sharing copies of your original, your revised, or your remixed copy of the resource with others. Many creators of open educational resources use the Creative Commons licensing suite to communicate to their users about the kinds of uses that are allowed beyond the restrictions of copyright law. However, Creative Commons licenses include a number of license options that are not compatible with the 5R activities. For example, a no derivatives license like CC BY ND would not allow revising or remixing in conjunction with reusing and redistributing. CC BY, on the other hand, is the most open of the Creative Commons licenses and will allow for all 5R activities. There is some disagreement in the community about what other licenses allow for the 5Rs, so you may see a variety of licenses in OER databases and collections, like our own Digital Commons Institutional Repository. The USF Textbook Collection in Digital Commons includes a variety of open access textbooks, or OERs, that are free and available for anyone to use. Each one may be issued with a different Creative Commons license selected by the author. For example, Writing Commons by Joseph Moxley is released with a CC BY SA, or Creative Commons Attribution Share-alike license. When engaging in the 5Rs with Writing Commons, any revision or remix must be redistributed with the same CC BY SA license, and all uses must include attribution to the original. Instructors who are interested in adopting OER materials for their course can start by locating educational material that has been shared as an OER. The USF Library has created a guide incorporating online collections of OERs along with other open content that can be used in instruction. It's called Digital Learning Objects and Tools to Supplement Instruction. Resources on the guide have been curated by librarians at USF and are divided by type and by discipline. If you are interested in releasing your own teaching and learning material as an OER, you can post the material online or submit it to a database or collection like our Digital Commons Institutional Repository with a Creative Commons license that allows for the 5Rs. To learn more about what Creative Commons licenses are available to you as an author, check out our Introduction to Creative Commons video. Thank you for joining me for this short look at open educational resources. If you have questions about the topics I have discussed here today, you can contact me at lmschmidt@usf.edu or use the library's Ask a Librarian chat widget for general inquiries. Thanks for watching.